Hi, today I want to show you how to fix the problem with referenced memory. The memory could not be read. So if you want to fix this problem, you need to use command prompt. So I click right mouse button on icon with Start and Windows, and then I go to command prompt admin. It is very important to select this one option, and then we need to make only one really simple thing. We need to type here sfc space /scannow. You can find this command in the description of my video, so you can copy and paste it here, or you can type this command from your keyboard if you want. Okay, and after that I click enter. How you see, the scanning process has been successfully started, and this process will take some time. Okay, so how you see, process has been successfully finished. After that you need to close this window and restart your PC. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.